Today's a good day to go out and cruise this 1966 Impala convertible. But before we do that, we're gonna do a little walk around. I'm gonna walk around this car, check the bumpers, check the panels, check everything out, tell you everything that I can see is wrong with this car. That way you know the car before you come down here to Hendersonville, Tennessee, or a muscle car lot. You can check us out, maplemotors.com. Sell classics every single day. This one here has the original 396 under the hood. Trying to make our way back up there. I want to show you some of the pictures the guy left with us. They had the motor out and redid everything. Had the car done. It's pretty cool. Have some documentation of it. It's like a service manual. We got the boot for the top. I'm gonna look up under here without making a big mess. You can see it's pretty solid. You can see detailed pictures of this trunk and underneath the car at my website as well. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Financing options, shipping. We ship these cars all over the country every day. The seal looks good in the trunk. We're gonna shut the lid here. I went ahead and opened all this before I started. That way I'm not flipping the cameras around and making y'all all dizzy. But yeah, we're gonna pick out all the flaws so you know the car, and when I get done doing this, we're gonna take it down the road for a test drive. It'll be a separate video, but I'll link them together. This one's got AC on it. Pressure will kick on. It blows really slow on the inside though. I think the blower motor is gonna need to be replaced. I was playing with it a little bit when I pulled it up, so learn a little bit about it before I hit the camera button to start. But we're gonna start up here in the front. Now let's see what we can find. Please guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Looks like a little mark in the chrome there on the bumper, but the rest of it looks like it's been replaced. That's kind of an even mark too. Here's another one. It's on both sides. I think it was meant to be there. It looks very straight looking down the side of the car. It's supposed to be an original 396 in this one. Everything's so nice and clean. Trim looks good. Hood's in great shape. I call this like a copper color. Looking at the bottoms of the doors, it looks solid. Nice wheels and tires. Look how much tread's left on this. Still looking for chips in the paint. There's a few dimples in the door. Nothing major. They replaced the handles. The top's been replaced for sure. We're gonna drop it before the test drive so we can have a little fun out here. The weather stripping's looking pretty good. Sorry about all the wind in this video. I'm sure it's annoying. It feels good to me though. Rear bumper's been replaced as well. I got a magnet tag hanging off the back. Pull it up out of your way there. Dual exhaust out the back. Now there is a crease right here. Y'all see that? A little bit of a crease in the bottom of that panel. There's a crease right here as well. Right in this area. See a line right here? I don't know if it's popping up. It's very faint. I mean, I'm actually really looking for something here because this car's so straight, so I'm trying to find the only thing that stands out. New mirrors. Yeah, they did a great job with this one. Made our way all the way around. I'll end up shutting the hood after we check the interior and start it up. I love the way that interior looks too. It's two-tone. Headliner's super clean looking. They even painted the framing to match. The dash, there's no cracks in it. Let's look at this door panel here. A little bit of some dirty marks, but I mean, it's white, so you're gonna be able to see stuff. Power windows. Weather stripping, it's not ready to go, but it's it's starting to. Looking under the door. Like that copper carpet. It's kind of hard to say, it's like a tongue twister. Hey, if you want to play the game, top right corner of the screen, should be a little icon pop up. Do you think the horn works? Let's go ahead and start it up. Man, it looks nice in here. Got all my equipment over here that I use to make these videos. Getting ready to do a test drive video, so I want you to check that out too. I think it's locked. Ashtray's missing. We got some gauges down here. Oil pressure gauges all the way up, and it's working. Temperature gauge is definitely broke. It's blowing cool, but it's very, very light. I mean, it's not blowing really hard. I think it's gonna need a blower motor and a charge on the AC. Radio's working. Well, let's try some of this other stuff. That's gonna be your lights. This is gonna be your windshield wipers. Whoa, they're fast. All right, ready for the horn? Did y'all vote? That's a train right there, guys. You know what? Every one of the horns have worked today. That's a good start. Now watch, they won't work for the next 5 days. All right, showing, wow. Not very many miles on the dash here. Of course, I can't prove that. You seen the pictures, they tore the motor out of the car. This is a 66 model. Gas gauge is up though. So that should work. Well, do we have a power top? That's the next question, and I believe we do. There's a button under the dash here, and I hear it making noise. Let's undo the top and see if we can get it to go back, because I'm ready to ride. I don't know about y'all. I'm ready to take this thing out and cruise. And I'm gonna set y'all back towards me. Make sure to get everything out of the way. Let's watch it go. Oh, wrong way. Here we go. Let's let the top drop. All the way down. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the power windows and stuff. Oh, got y'all back here. All the windows are going down. That one's kind of slow there. We got them all down. That's what I'm talking about. That looks so much better. Let y'all listen to the motor before I shut the hood. Nice and quiet. Look, compressor's on. It's just not super, it's not blowing super hard. I think if you got the blowing motor replaced, it would take off. It's cool, it's not cold. Probably need some Freon too. Hood comes down nice and easy. I'm just kind of pushing down on it. They got to push down at the very end to get it or lock. They got it on there pretty straight. One more peek at the interior, and then we're gonna get some undercarriage shots. See where they painted the top. I like that. All right, guys, I'm gonna start up in the front, give y'all some undercarriage shots. I want you to check it out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. The reason we do these videos, so that everybody out of state knows what they're coming to look at. I don't want nobody coming up here mad at me. I want them to know exactly what they're getting. We're gonna start up here in the front, give you some undershots, go all the way around the car. I do appreciate y'all watching these videos. If you don't mind, hit that share button. It helps us out greatly. Go ahead and hit subscribe. There's a little bell beside it you can hit. It'll tell you every time I post a video. It'll notify your phone. It'll say like, Maple Motors just posted another muscle car. That way you get on top of it. I know a lot of y'all are missing cars and you're calling about it saying, oh, how do I get them faster? The fastest way, every Monday we update maplemotors.com. That is a different website than YouTube. YouTube is an entertainment source and a source of information about the cars. So if you want to see them first and just see some pictures and a little information about them, go to maplemotors.com. Then throughout the week, if I get 18 cars, of course it's going to take me the whole week because I can only do so many cars every day. These videos take a while to make, so. But I'm putting them out there for y'all that are out of state. If you're local, come on down. We're here every day except for Sundays. Appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys. Test drive video is getting ready to happen. Look down in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's about that time. We're going for a ride.